What's going on YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about this commercial job. I want to help you guys get more commercial contracts. If you're not doing commercial jobs, you're missing out on so much opportunity and money. It's really what keeps us in business. Now, if you guys are brand new to the channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Turn on those post notifications. That way, every time I upload a video, you guys are notified. Also, please, if you find any value on this video, like it. This is going to help boost it into the YouTube algorithm and going to help push it to other pressure washers that really need to see this video. And lastly, if you have any questions about how I get commercial contracts, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Now, before we jump into the video, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is John Viet. I've been pressure washing for over the past 10 years and helping out pressure washers for over the past 6 years scale their business through website creation, Facebook ads. Head over to johnviet.com if you guys really need any help with building out a brand new website, a logo, you really want more jobs through Facebook, or you even want me to boost your Google business, just like I got this job, to get more customers. That'll be johnviet.com. I'll leave it right here in the video. All right, so how do I get $2,000 to $3,000 worth of commercial jobs every single week? Well, it's from my Google My Business. Google Business, I have it here in Tampa, Florida. So if anybody searches up Tampa, Florida, pressure washing outside of my area or in my area, I'm always going to pop up first. And this is, again, how I get most of my jobs. It's done through a service called Backlinks and Citations. So what I did was, first off, I've had my Google business for about 10 years. And honestly, it is a little bit more challenging to get a Google business page set up now, but I do recommend, I've seen a lot of guys get it set up. It doesn't mean that you can't get it set up, just means it might take a little bit more time and effort. Highly recommend you guys get a Google business. But before that, you really need a website. You really need to show Google that you have a really beautiful website and you have something that shows all of your information. Now, once you have the website, go out and go to Google Business, just googlebusiness.com, and basically apply for a Google business page. What you'll need is an address, you'll need a website, you'll need all of your information, your photos, and go out and apply for a Google business underneath your page. Now, you do most likely gonna need like a LLC and some sort of paperwork, because they're gonna ask you to do a video. So just keep that in mind. You're going to need a paperwork, LLC, registered. Make sure your business is legit. Insurance, the full works before you go out and apply for one of these, because they may suspend you, right? So you want to have some sort of backup if you need to get reinstated. Now, after I got that set up, right now I have a lot of reviews, right? So every single time I do one of these commercial jobs, I get people to leave me a review. And we show them these great videos and they love it and they leave us a nice review and they put in all their photos and things like that. So what happens is, just like if you guys have ever gone out to a restaurant, you know, you go out to any type of place, you look up on Google best restaurants near me, best gym near me, whatever it is, and you look at the reviews. That's the same what people do for commercial. They go to pressure washing on Google and best pressure washing company near me. And guess what? I pop up every time. So even if they're in another state, which we've had a lot of people from Virginia, we've had people from Miami, Florida, which is about 5 hours from us, all across the country within Florida and also outside of Florida. Even had some guys in Michigan. They're a big, they do all the hockey players, right? So now, that's not a commercial, that's a residential. We get a ton of residential as well. But if you want commercial jobs, you need to be on Google and you really want to go after getting a lot of reviews. Now, management companies are great as well. So if you want it outside of Google, you want to just go in person and talk. You know, you can just go and talk to people in person. This is also a great way to get jobs. Yard signs are great as well. UZ Marketing, I use them for all of my marketing materials. Pressure washing, and have your phone number. Double-sided, black and white, 18 by 24. Put these up near those businesses and you'll get a ton of jobs from that as well. So highly recommend yard signs. And then Facebook ads, as always. These are good, but mostly going to be for residential, but it can also be good for commercial if you know how to actually do the targeting. So I hope this video really helped you guys. We're here in the season. Now is the best time to start advertising and getting a ton of jobs. Again, if you guys need some help, you want to get more commercial jobs just like this, johnviet.com, or go ahead and book a free strategy call with me on my website. Go ahead and comment down below 2025 so I know that you watched it to the end of this video. And until then, I'll see you guys next week. Take care.